Kata beach. What do you think today? Weather is suitable for flying?
No,
No?
maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow? I'm surface. Not to that. What?
The waves are very big for me.
Yes. Oh, my beautiful wife. Crazy. What are they doing?
We arrive in the popular cafe in Kata. There is a very tasty desserts and coffee.
Tartinis.
What do you want?
Maybe
I
side.
want this croissant roll with lemon meringue. It's very tasty. I know.
Maybe sandwich.
No, I'm not hungry. Lemon meringue.
Lemon meringue. Milk chocolate and coconut flan. Yes. 5, 4, 3.
Again.
1,300.
That's okay. You can sit first. I call you.
Thank you. Excuse me. Do you like it? Coconut. Whoa. Very good. And this is better. Same. Excuse me. Can we
Yes.
just please?
How much do they cost?
1,050. Do you like this cafe? Huh? Do you like?
My favorite cafe in Kata.
Your favorite cafe?
It's a really tasty dessert.
Oh, our bike. I show you view. Look at this. That's Kata Noi beach. Huh? What? What? What do you say?
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Do you want to go to Kata Noi beach?
Yeah, I don't know. And you?
Yes, I want to see these waves.
Okay, let's go.
I'm ready. Потом стрёмно будет на Все, пошли.
Wow. Ah, trash. Ocean, come back. Garbage for people.
The beach is very dirty now because it's now low season and the waves is really big and the beach is so dirty. The volunteers try to clean the beach every day, but every day is dirty again. The smell is very unpleasant. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god.
Is this Morena?
Yes, I think it's Morena. It's died. Oh. Let's go upstairs and see the really beautiful view.
We are walking to Kata Noi viewpoint. Вика make some video.
The sea is very dangerous now, and I recommend you to avoid swimming in these big waves. Men try to catch fish. Oh. I don't want to go there. I think it's dangerous.
This situation on the sea is so dangerous. Many rip current on the beach. Huh?
Like in our house. Oh, there is so many butterflies. Oh.
Do you want to walk on the beach?
Yes.
This way? Now low season in Thailand. Every day sea has big waves, dangerous waves, but people don't afraid. Swim, relax, make some photo. Do you want swim? Do you want swim? No? Why?
It's dangerous.
It's dangerous?
People try to swim, but I repeat for you, it's a really dangerous situation in the sea. Please don't swim in these waves. Thai people clean beach every day, but because of storm, the beach will be dirty tomorrow again, I think. If you want to swim in low season in Phuket, you can go to the nearest beach, near the Kata Noi beach. It's named Kata beach, and there are the waves is a little smaller, and there are some safety place for swimming, and lifeguard look for the people who try to swim. He's so funny. Oh, look at this, it's beautiful. This is a holy ancient tree, and this holy place for Thai people. But people, why do you do this? Why? Our planet is already very dirty, and you can get a fine, but you repeat this section. Oh.
I think it's hard way. If you want to walk easy, you need to sit on your bike and go around to the beach. It's my recommendation for you. What do you think about this way?
A little bit difficult, but it's okay.
No, I think it's so difficult.
No, 1 minute. It's like training.
Look how very fast coast become clean. One day and all beach become clean. What do you think about trash? No trash, good?
Yes, very clean beach.
Very clean beach. It's Kata beach, nearest Kata Noi beach. What do you think about it?
I think it's going to rain. We need to go home back.
Now? We need to go into home? Поснимать тучи.
I think it's going to rain right now. We need to go back to home.
Go back to home?
Yeah.
But I want walking in the beach.
No, I think it's maybe 2 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and it will rain.
No, rain. Okay. It's bad. It's bad.
Go to buy durian.
No, I don't want to.
Really?
Yes.
No, I know you still lying.
What? I like
Как
that.
сказать? Ложь мне. Не знаю, лая сказала. Ты что, вот?
In English, please.
Подожди,
In English.
выключи.
In English, please.
Выключи заново.
Mika said me we need make video again. You want buy durian?
I don't want to make videos with you.
Oh.
It's the last time.
Last time? No. No, no.
Don't hear me.
Do you want buy durian?
Yes.
I don't want durian.
You are cheating me.
No.
Yes, I know.
What you know?
are
What you
really
know?
like durian, but just you want a beer.
Only one can.
One time.
If you eat durian, you can drink alcohol. Yes?
Yes, you must not drink alcohol.
Why?
Because, it's bad for health.
Bad for health? Because durian is very hot fruit.
Yes.
Very hot fruit. Okay. Okay, we buy durian for you, my darling.
My advice for you, if you see the dark clouds and feel the cold wind in low season in Thailand, you need to find the safety place because the rain will be in maybe 1-2 minutes and it will be really strong rain.
Why you wear t-shirt? How can a sweater now? Today are you cold now?
Yes, in low season I really feel cold because I used to live in hot climate in Thailand. I lived here about 2 years and now it's really cold weather for me.
But 30 Celsius degree now.
Yes, but the wind is cold for me.
Oh, okay, okay.
And the sun.
Are you cold? Yes. Let's go home. Buy durian and go home.
It's starting now.
Rain started, I think we'll wait with you. I think we need find safety place because strong rain started. What about durian?
Let's go to buy it. you to buy only fresh durian, which guys can clean right now, and we can eat only fresh durian, because this durian may be not good. The smell will be bad and not so tasty like fresh durian.
Excuse me. Can you help us?
Oh.
Look at this. This durian ready. Open. It's good. So strong rain. Start now.
It's not just a rain, it's a shower. It's really shower. Guys cleaning the durian horse. I'm showing you the price to fruits. It's dragon fruit, watermelon, papaya, mangosteen and mango. Now is season for fruits, and fruit is really tasty. I don't try this coconut, but it looks very tasty. I came to buy beer for this guy. I like durian and he likes
I
beer.
don't buy beer. I buy light.
Yes, of course.
Okay guys, it's all for today. Please subscribe, like and comment. Have a great day.